Next phrase. So here we'll play 14D followed by 12, 14G. 12 on the B, 15 on the G. Do that 3 times. 14G, 12B. 12 on the G with a slight bend, followed by 14 on the D, 15 on the B. So we've just done this. And the solo ends with this phrase. So here we're going to do a pre-bend from the 14th fret of the B string, and we'll bend up a half step and release. We'll do that 3 times. Followed by 12G, 14D, and then a whole step bend from 15 on the B string.